All right, everybody, I am going to show you the van in its current condition just to document. So apologize that you're not seeing me, but I can't figure out this camera thing. So I've got, this is a metal stainless steel water tank, and this is a plastic 6-gallon and another plastic 6-gallon. So I've got 12 gallons here and then another 6 here, which is in the stainless steel. It just is a simple USB pipe that goes up to this USB faucet here. This is just a simple desk that I put in an RV sink. The floor is the peel and stick vinyl. It's taken me a while to, it just gets dirty, so I haven't cleaned it. That's on my to-do list, so apologize for the dirt on the floor. All right, so this here is a battery bank, and it has 6 AGM batteries that connect to the 400 watts of solar on the roof. And this is the 4,000, 8,000 watt pure sine wave inverter. There's a solar panel controller and the kill switch over here, circuit breaker, and solar panel controller, USB block. So there's a lot of electric going on there. We've got an electric strip here. I've got an electric strip here. I've got 12 volt over there, which runs the fridge freezer, which I love. It's also on wheels, so you can pull it in and out of a campsite very easily. Max air fan at the top. This is a cubby storage of various things. It's like a wall of storage. Behind the curtain, you can crawl from the front to the back easily in case of an emergency. A game changer. I really love having the stainless steel top. I really like that a lot. This is a bathroom mirror, and I keep my bits and bobs in there. What I love about the mirror is, number one, it gives the illusion that there's more space, which I totally love. And at the same time, when I'm cooking and prepping here and my back is turned towards the cargo door, I can see, because of the mirror, of who approaches me from behind, because usually that happens when you go somewhere, people are trying to talk to you or whatever. So I really like that I can see them from behind approaching me. So turn around this way. This is the front of the RV sink. Some of the things I really like to have are like just, extra coffee cups when people stop by, that they have, some place to just chill and have some coffee or tea. This is the USB water faucet. A lot of little grab and go things that are for convenience I keep here. This little trash can thing has just been a game changer. I like the smallness of it and encourages me to empty it frequently. I love these little bins, again, grab and go, mostly books and things that I need. Different types of USB lights that I have that hook up. And then also I've got another light here that I can turn on and off. Over here I've got lights. Again, many of them can be hung and changed to different positions wherever I am. I've got another fan at the top. I use my VITAMIX on the daily. I have a toaster oven and a Crockpot, which I use as well. Max air fan, I can't remember if I said that or not. These big bolts are for hanging my hammock. Okay, the wardrobe. So this is a vintage wardrobe that was kind of pretty shoddy when I first got it, and then I refinished it and painted it to get it to this level. And so not only does it house the 10 commandments as a daily reminder for me, it is also my closet, and it dual purposes also as my toilet. And yes, the toilet just stays there. I just push back the jackets and I just do my business. This is a regular RV toilet. And I just, I just pee in it, and then I empty the pee, which is pretty easy. And then I use these commode liners when I have to do poop or number 2, and then I just dispose of that. I also have a cat litter container that when I'm, off-grid camping for a while, I have that cat litter container that I just put all the poo in that, and it's sealed tight like in a plastic container. So okay, this is a Murphy bed, and so the game changer about the Murphy bed is when it's down, it's again very comfortable, and it's at a low height. I personally have an ankle injury, so that is why I did not want a high bed, because of my injury. So I wanted something that would be easy to get in and out, and in the middle of the night if I have to pee, I wanted it to be easy. So that's my reason for doing a low bed. And it is, you know, long enough for like 6 foot something. I think 6'4" is the length or something that I did it at. Okay, then I have these little ottoman things, which again double for storage. So I've got extra water and containers and stuff like that. My shoes are in these little cloth bins, which have been a game changer. These other little bins up here holds different bits and bobs, and another little seat. So these storage things are storage, but they're also seats. So I can lock them down into a certain position. If I want them really out of the way, they're lightweight enough, I can shove them in the front seat if I want to, but most of the time I'm using them to sit on, or, you know, whatever. I have all these different little bags and hangy things, which have been great to organize things. And then a lot of things that, you know, grab and go. So I could just take this bag, zip it up, and I'm in the gym, you know. This is a wood burning stove, which I will be doing an install of that shortly. Again, a smart TV. I also have, I'm trying to hold this with one hand. This is a little vintage TV in here too. And the reason I have both, the reason I have both is because sometimes I don't have Wi-Fi where I am at for the smart TV. And so the RV TV allows me to just play DVDs, and, you know, that's important to me, to be able to just have simple things that take low power and not Wi-Fi compliant or have to be Wi-Fi. So let me take you outside to show you the rear. This is my mezuzah. Okay, so this is some tools gear, yoga mat, camping, hiking gear, and ice skates, ladder to get on the roof to clean off the solar panels. This little bin I really like because it's multi-purpose, but when I'm doing camping, I use this to store my campfire wood and stuff like that, and just makes it easy to keep it contained. Cargo nets hold certain gear in place, that sort of thing. And then over here, I've got another storage bins and all of my wires and cords for RV shore power hookup, and my fishing pole and fishing gear. So it's, and then the little shovel for digging, when necessary, binoculars, you know, just simple things. And my, Swiffer when I'm doing the floors. It's just, that seems to really work well, and it's simple and easy and lightweight. So that's the rear view. Let me go this way so you see. The thing that's really cool, and again, that metal step has been such a game changer. One of the guys that helped build the wall with me to put those cubby holes on, he recommended this metal step, and it has truly been a game changer to get in and out. It just saves your ankle, you know, the extra stress. So I really have enjoyed that. But you can see from the back where the black and white tile is, that's a lot of space to be open space from front to back. When, you know, I can literally do a yoga or a Pilates or, you know, dance routine in the van when it's raining, and that is such a game changer for me. Of course, I have to unlock the door. Hang on. Okay, so this is the front cab. There's not a lot going on in here in terms of, I didn't change a lot, but one of the things about this truck is it is the 3-seater. And in the beginning, I really thought I wanted just 2, but I have to say that I'm actually glad I've had a 3-seater, because, you know, sometimes you want to have another passenger, and 3 people fit up here comfortably, and it's really nice to have that. And then like just little things to hang, to get things clutter out of the way. Using just little bags to organize your stuff has been helpful. And then I use these like, they're like, you know, to put napkins and wet wipes and stuff like that. And it just makes it easy out of the way. And that's about it. And then I've got gear on the door. So like my vacuum cleaner and, you know, mosquito repellent and, you know, hand sanitizer, just, you know, simple stuff. but usually that's pretty much the same. That's just the simple. So that's about it. And then let me go from the side so you can see. I don't know how far you can see, but it does have a max air fan on top, and you can see it from here, but there are 4 solar panels on top, so 400 watts of solar. All right, so that's my van tour. Thanks for watching. It's gonna go through a major change again, so just kind of enjoying it for what it is until it comes into a new paradigm. All right, God be with you. God bless you. Amen.